Dudo mo. Malaki. Dudo ko, maliit ka mo.
I'll post it in YouTube, okay?
You have YouTube?
We have money on YouTube.
Transferring me, okay? By Blick Blick. I will
Okay.
give you my number, Blick Blick. Okay?
Good nga yung blik-blik.
Like, okay. If we earn money, okay.
Okay.
People earn money in massage, in YouTube. They earn millions. Yes, in Philippines, they earn millions because too much viewers.
Hindi pa gutom ah.
Gutom na nga.
Nay! Ba't andyan talaga?
So the camera get you. One of the famous massage here in Lodz. Her name was Madame Ming.
Let me take you a photo. A nice shot.
Yes.
No.
Don't just... Go! Don't mind me.
Wow, shit. Anong mine?
Don't mind
No,
me.
oh.
Side.
Ning.
Oh, very beautiful.
Your camera fake.
No, it's a
Yeah.
like a
They're beautiful.
DSLR camera.
You're beautiful.
iPhone?
Hindi. Ano lang siya,
No.
parang specs ng iPhone.
It's Oppo, Realme,
Vivo.
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 Vivo hotdog.
Yes.
Oh, it's same. My phone also Vivo. The another.
Head massage.
Head massage.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
No makeup, but beautiful.
I cannot make up. I
Yes.
don't know how to make up.
Yes.
Mek mo.
So pasang sa
It's okay. Thank you eh.
Yes, I am massage finish. Thank you.
Thank you.